to my beloved lecturer, Ms. Vimala, and my fellow friends. Today, our group will be presenting on women's right as a fundamental human rights assignment. So here the topic we choose is about women's right. Women's right refer to the rights and freedom that ensure women and girls are treated equally, fairly, and with dignity. So these rights protect women from the discrimination, violence, and inequality while ensuring the equal opportunity in education, employment, healthcare, and participation in society. Women's rights are important because they promote equally social justify and empower women to contribute fully their families, communities, and nations' development. These rights are protected for both international and Malaysian laws. Internationally, the Universal Declaration of Human Rights and DICAO reorganized that women are entitled the equal rights without discrimination. In Malaysia, Article 8 of the Federal Constitution guarantees equality before the law, while laws such as the Anti-Sexual Harassment Act 2022 and Domestic Violence Act 1994 provided the additional protection for women. Next, my group member will discuss the real-world case issues involving women's rights.
Hello everyone, my name is Santhia Sukumaran. My student ID is BLE0925044979. Today I would like to present a real world case related to a woman's right in Malaysia, which is the Bella Rumah Bonda abuse case. Bella is a teenage girl with Down syndrome who is placed under the care of Rumah Bonda, a welfare home found by Siti Bainun Abdul Razali. In 2001, photographs showing Bella with severe bruises, burns, and other injuries were shared on social media. The shocking image attracted nationwide attention and led to a police investigation. The investigation found that Bella had repeated a physical and emotional abuse while staying at the welfare home. The main people involved in this case were Bella. The victim was the Siti Bainun Abdul Razali, who managed the welfare home. The Royal Malaysia Police, who investigated the case, medical officer who examined Bella, witness who gave the evidence in the court, and the Malaysian judiciary. After the lengthy trial, the court found the Siti Bainun is guilty of the neglecting and abusing Bella. In May 2023, she was sentenced to 12 years in prison. This decision showed that the Malaysian legal system can hold people accountable for crimes committed against vulnerable individuals. This case is considered a human rights issue because it violates Bella's fundamental rights. According to the Universal Declaration of the Human Rights, everyone has the right to life, dignity, security, and protection from the cruel and degrading treatment. Bella should have been protected and cared for, but instead the experience and repeated abuse by the Siti Bainun. In conclusion, The Bela Ruma Bonda abuse case reminds us that every woman and girl has the right to live free from the violence, abuse, and discrimination. It also highlights the need for the stronger protection of the vulnerable individuals and better monitoring of the welfare institution. By enforcing the law and increasing the public awareness, we can help create a safer society for everyone. Thank you so much.
Hello Miss, my name is Vishalini Adivalgan. My ID number is BLE0925049440. Now I want to explain about the legal analysis of the Bella Arum Bonda abuse case. In this case, Bella's basic human rights were clearly violated. Firstly, her right to live and safety was violated because she suffered serious physical abuse. Secondly, her right to dignity was taken away because she was treated in a cruel and inhumane way. She was also denied proper care and protection, even though she was a vulnerable child. In Malaysia, there are several laws that protect women and children. Article 5 of the Federal Constitution protects the right to live the personal liberty. The penal code was punish people who cause hurt or abuse. The Child Act 2001 also protects children from neglect and abuse. Besides that, Malaysia supports CD which promote the protection of human rights and freedom from violence. Next, I will explain the ethical issues and social impact of this case. The biggest ethical issue is the abuse of trust. Caregiver and support to provide love, care, and protection. But instead, Bella was abused. This was serious failure of responsibility and showed lack of respect for her human dignity. This case also had a big impact on society. It shocked many Malaysians and raised awareness about abuse in welfare homes. Many people demanded stricter monitoring of care centers to prevent similar cases from happening again. It also encouraged more victims and witnesses to speak up and report abuse. Finally, I will explain the court decision. After hearing the evidence, the court found the founder of Ruma Bonda guilty of offences related to Bella's abuse and neglect. She was sentenced to imprisonment and also received a fine. This decision showed that no one is above the law, especially when individuals are harmed. The Bella case reminds us everyone deserves to live with dignity, respect, and safety. We also have responsibility to protect women, children, and other vulnerable people from abuse. Thank you, Miss. That's all from me.
Good day, everyone. I will be presenting the recommendation and conclusion of a topic on women's right as a fundamental human right. To better protect women's rights, several steps can be taken. First, government and authorities shall strengthen the enforcement of law that protect women for discrimination, violence, and harassment. Next, awareness shall be increased through education and public campaign so that society better understand and respect women's rights. In addition, reporting system and support service of victims shall be improved to ensure women feel safe and supported when seeking help. It also important to promote gender equality in workplace and in society to ensure fair opportunities for everyone. In conclusion, women's rights are fundamental human right that every individual and entitled to protecting their right helps create a fair, safe, and equal society. Therefore, it is the responsibility of the government, society, and individual to work together to promote and respect women's and rights. Thank you. Good day, everyone. I will be presenting the recommendation and conclusion of a topic on women's right as a fundamental human right. To better protect women's rights, several steps can be taken. First, government and authorities shall strengthen the enforcement of law that protect women for discrimination, violence, and harassment. Next, awareness shall be increased through education and public campaign so that society better understand and respect women's rights. In addition, reporting system and support service of victims shall be improved to ensure women feel safe and supported when seeking help. It also important to promote gender equality in workplace and in society to ensure fair opportunities for everyone. In conclusion, women's rights are fundamental human right that every individual and entitled to protecting their right helps create a fair, safe, and equal society. Therefore, it is the responsibility of the government, society, and individual to work together to promote and respect women's and rights. Thank you.